Step 1. Obtain your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can get them for free at annualcreditreport.com. Step 2. Carefully review each credit report for any errors, such as incorrect account information or identity theft. Step 3. Dispute any errors you find on your credit reports directly with the credit bureaus in writing. Step 4. Pay all of your bills on time, every time. Payment history is a major factor in your credit score. Step 5. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit on each card. Step 6. If possible, keep your credit card balances as low as possible and ideally pay them off each month. Step 7. Avoid opening too many new credit accounts in a short period. It can negatively impact your score. Step 8. Consider becoming an authorized user on a responsible cardholder's account to build positive credit history. Step 9. If you have no credit, consider a secured credit card to start building your credit history responsibly. Step 10. Monitor your credit score regularly to track your progress and identify any potential issues early on.